By listening to this episode, What Companies Are in the Finance Field? You will be fully familiar with the finance industry's top companies alongside with industry's trends and challenges. Welcome to Got In Early, a podcast about investing in financial markets such as cryptocurrency, the forex, and the stock market. In this episode, we will explore the critical role played by the finance industry in our global economy. The finance industry encompasses a vast range of companies and services that provide individuals and businesses with the means to manage their finances, invest their money, and protect themselves against financial risk. It also plays a vital role in enabling economic growth and development by facilitating the flow of capital between individuals, businesses, and governments. At the core of the finance industry are many different types of companies that offer a diverse range of products and services. Commercial banks provide loans, credit cards, and savings accounts to individuals and businesses. Investment banks facilitate the underwriting of securities, mergers and acquisitions, and other corporate finance transactions. Insurance companies offer various types of insurance products to help individuals and businesses manage risk, while asset management firms manage portfolios of stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. The finance industry has a significant impact on our daily lives, from the interest rates we pay on our loans to the returns we earn on our investments. It also plays a crucial role in helping businesses to grow, expand, and create jobs while aiding individuals in achieving their financial goals. Additionally, the finance industry has a massive impact on the global economy, with financial institutions playing a critical role in facilitating international trade and investment. In this episode, we will explore the top finance companies based on their revenue, different types of companies in the finance field, emerging finance companies, industry trends, and challenges. By the end of this podcast, you will have a better understanding of the importance and scope of the finance industry and the challenges and opportunities facing finance companies today. Let's begin by exploring the top finance companies based on their revenue. Background music. Revenue is one of the most important metrics for evaluating the success of finance companies. The following are the top 10 finance companies in the world, based on their revenue: Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, ICBC, China Construction Bank, Agricultural Bank of China, Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, JP Morgan Chase & Co. HSBC Holdings plc, BNP Paribas SA, Bank of America Corp. Wells Fargo & Company. ICBC, with a market capitalization of over $315 billion, is the largest finance company in the world by revenue. It is a Chinese multinational banking company that offers a range of services, including personal banking, corporate banking, investment banking, and asset management. China Construction Bank, with a market capitalization of over $210 billion, is the second largest finance company in the world. It is also a Chinese multinational banking company that offers a range of services, including personal banking, corporate banking, investment banking, and asset management. The finance companies on this list have a significant impact on the global economy and offer a wide range of services to individuals and businesses. Moving on, let's take a look at the different types of companies in the finance field. Background music. The finance field is vast, and there are many different types of companies operating within it. Some of the most common types of companies in the finance field include banks, insurance companies, asset management firms, investment banks, private equity firms, hedge funds. Banks are financial institutions that accept deposits and offer a range of financial products and services, including personal and commercial loans, savings and checking accounts, and investment products such as certificates of deposit and mutual funds. Insurance companies offer various types of insurance policies, such as life, health, property, and casualty insurance. Asset management firms manage portfolios of stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. Investment banks facilitate the underwriting of securities, mergers and acquisitions, and other corporate finance transactions. They work with corporations, governments, and other organizations to raise capital by issuing and selling securities such as stocks and bonds. Investment banks also provide advisory services for mergers and acquisitions, helping companies to buy or sell other companies, and providing guidance on financial and strategic decisions. Asset management firms manage portfolios of stocks, bonds, and other financial assets on behalf of individual and institutional clients. They invest client funds in a diversified range of assets with the goal of maximizing returns while minimizing risk. Asset management firms may also offer other financial services such as financial planning, retirement planning, and estate planning. Emerging finance companies. The finance industry is constantly evolving, and new companies are emerging to meet changing consumer needs and technological advances. Some of the most promising emerging finance companies include fintech companies. Fintech companies are startups that use technology to provide financial services. They offer a wide range of products and services, including online banking, peer-to-peer lending, digital wallets, and robo-advisors. Fintech companies are disrupting traditional financial institutions by offering more accessible, affordable, and convenient financial services to consumers. Blockchain companies. Blockchain technology is transforming the way financial transactions are conducted. Blockchain companies offer secure, transparent, and decentralized platforms for financial transactions, making it possible to conduct transactions without intermediaries such as banks. Industry trends and challenges. The finance industry is facing several challenges and opportunities in the current economic climate. Some of the key trends and challenges include digitalization. Digitalization is transforming the finance industry, with more consumers turning to online and mobile banking for their financial needs. Traditional financial institutions need to adapt to these changes and invest in digital technologies to remain competitive. Regulatory compliance. The finance industry is heavily regulated, with strict requirements for financial reporting and consumer protection. Financial institutions need to ensure they comply with these regulations to avoid legal and financial penalties. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a growing concern for the finance industry, with the risk of data breaches and cyberattacks increasing. Financial institutions need to invest in robust cybersecurity measures to protect their customers' data and maintain their reputation. Conclusion. The finance industry plays a critical role in our global economy, enabling individuals and businesses to manage their finances, invest their money, and protect themselves against financial risk. The industry is composed of many different types of companies offering a wide range of products and services, from commercial banks and investment banks to insurance companies and asset management firms. The top finance companies by revenue are dominated by Chinese and American firms, with J.P. Morgan Chase & Company and Bank of America Corp. among the global leaders in investment banking and commercial banking. However, emerging finance companies such as fintech and blockchain startups are disrupting traditional financial institutions by offering more accessible and affordable financial services. The finance industry is facing several challenges and opportunities, from digitalization and regulatory compliance to cybersecurity and economic uncertainty. However, with its vital role in enabling economic growth and development, the finance industry will continue to be a key driver of global prosperity. In the end, we hope that by listening to this podcast you will be fully immersed in what you are looking for. You can help us improve by sharing this podcast, which is published in ADAS Investment Magazine, and help optimize it by submitting your comments.